let's start with implementation of our migrations, starting, of course, with the users one. Remember that in the migrations, the order is very important to avoid any kind of problem with the references in the foreign keys between tables. So we need to start with the users migration. Let's go to our code in the database migrations folder, and we have now the users table migration. Laravel already has implemented some fields, so we have ID, name, email, password. You can see that the email must be unique. We have a remember token that is going to be used by Laravel to keep the user session active in the web project, and we have the timestamps that are basically the creation date and the updated date. We need to add some additional fields that are the verification token and the admin. So now, the verified value must have a default value that is going to be that this user is unverified. Please remember to import the definition of the model user. Now, the verification token can be nullable because at some point a user doesn't need to have a verification token. And by default, a user is going to be a regular user. So at this point, we already have created all the required fields for the users table. Please be sure that the name of the constants match exactly here. Now you can see the importance of use those constants in order to avoid any kind of inconsistencies, for example in this case, establishing the default values. See you in the next class to continue with other migrations.